Greetings, microscopists. This is Eric Miller here, and you've reached part 5 on our series on how to purchase an electron microscope. Now, this time we have something that sounds counterintuitive, but trust me when I tell you, never to send in your samples before your demo. First off, I'm assuming you were smart enough to get a demo before you purchase, because you should always get a demo. But why is this potentially an issue? Well, there are a couple things. First, let's say you send in your special sample to the vendor and you tell them it needs to be completely uncoated. No carbon, no gold, no nothing. It's been known to happen that certain vendors maybe don't take that no coating request very seriously and will go ahead and coat your samples anyway. The result is you get back these amazing images with a report that says they weren't coated, but they were. I've seen this happen to people before, fortunately not for any organization I work for, but how do you stop it from happening to you? You have two options. First is that you don't send in a sample ahead of time and you show up to the vendor's site for your demo with the sample in hand with all the sample prep already done. This ensures that you have control over the sample and you know everything that's being done to it. The other option is that if you had to send in a sample beforehand, you show up to your demo with your sample in hand and you make them duplicate the results. This gives you two things. First is it verifies that they didn't coat the sample or do something else weird to get the first image. And second, it will show you the process you'll need to go through to duplicate those results. You may be thrilled, you may be horrified, but you won't know until you see it. That's all I've got for you today. I hope it was informative for you. Please subscribe and make sure you come back for future episodes learning how to purchase an electron microscope. Check out my socials and please contact me if you're interested in having me come to your site to teach you how to use your SEM. Thanks a lot. We'll see you next time.